Hey guys, Matt from Just Wrench It here. Now, I still have some extra parts, but we got the Fiesta together. I have the Lisle spill-proof funnel for the radiator. I filled the coolant system with distilled water and got oil. Everything's in, the belt's back on. So, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go in, I'm going to crank it over, and we're going to try to clean out the system, assuming everything works correctly. We're going to try to clean out the system, flush it with the water, and then, provided that it runs for a minute or two and it seems fine, then we'll drain it and fill it with coolant, and then sounds like we're going to have the rest of this back together in no time. Dare I say, I think we got it. So what I'm going to do now is I've let it cycle through enough. I think I'm going to turn it off and flush out all the water that I put in the coolant system, and then we're going to refill with an actual mixture of coolant. You can see all the bubbles coming up inside the funnel, and that's telling you that you still have air in your system and it's bleeding it out. This funnel made this amazingly easy, much easier than any other time I've ever done this. I can't believe until now I didn't have this funnel. It is so useful.